After hours of hard work, Augustine had finally sold everything. The money in his hands represented his parents' sacrifices, his school fees, and his sister's education.
Papa will be proud of me. Mama will be happy.
Young man,
Yes, sir?
you look like you are new in Freetown.
Yes, sir. I came from Kamakwie.
I could tell. Are you looking for somewhere?
Yes, sir. I need to find transport back home.
Where are you going?
Kamakwie.
Don't worry, I know exactly where you can get the vehicle.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, where is the vehicle?
It is just ahead.
Hey! No. My money. Everything is gone.
You are not just carrying farm produce. You are carrying the future of this family.
Don't trust strangers easily.
Mama warned me.
Augustine had arrived in Freetown with a harvest full of hope. Now, he had nothing. He could not return to Kamakwie. He could not face his parents.
Crying will not bring the money back. I have to find a job.
And at that moment, Augustine made a decision that would change his life forever.
Sir, please, do you have any work? No. Please, I need work.
Try the construction site over there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, sir, I am looking for work.
Can you walk?
Yes, sir.
Have you worked on a construction site before?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
If you really want to work, start there.
Yes, sir.
Keep going, young man.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
Augustine had lost the money his parents worked so hard to produce. But he had not lost his courage.
He did not know it yet, but the construction site, where he had come looking for a small job, would become the place where his future would begin.
Who is that young man? His name is Augustine. He just started today.
Augustine had arrived in Freetown with nothing. He had lost his family's money. But tomorrow, someone would notice something that the scammer never saw: his potential.
The next morning, Augustine returned to the construction site before the sun was fully up. He had lost his family's money, but he refused to lose his future.
Augustine, you already here?
Yes, sir.
You came before everyone else.
Sir, I need this job.
Good. Keep working.
The work was hard, the sun was hot, and the pay was small. But Augustine told himself that even a small opportunity was better than giving up.
Young man, where are you from?
Kamakwie.
And what brought you to Freetown?
I came to sell farm produce.
So where is the produce? Leave him. Maybe he doesn't want to talk about it.
Don't trust strangers easily.
I won't let that experience destroy me.
Augustine! Augustine, yes, sir? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You worked for it. You deserve it.
Augustine knew he could not change his situation overnight. So he started with the little he had. Papa, Mama, please don't worry about me. I am safe in Freetown. I lost the money from the farm, but I have found work. I am working hard, and one day I will make you proud.
Our son is alive,
He lost the money.
but he is working.
That boy is stronger than I thought.
Days became weeks. Augustine continued working. But he was not only working, he was watching. He was learning.
Why do you measure it that way?
Because if the measurement is wrong, the entire wall can be wrong.
I understand.
You ask plenty questions.
Because I want to understand.
Quick, get the materials covered! Hurry, drop it here! Grab that tarp! Grab that tarp! Augustine, I want you to help organize these workers as team leader.
Me, sir?
Yes. I will do my best.
Hey, don't go just yet. Please follow my page and be the first to know when I post a video. God bless you.